Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. Two different unbiased dice are rolled together. Now, what's an unbiased dice? That means it's a normal dice where you can get any of the numbers from 1 to 6, and there's an equal probability of getting any of these numbers. What is the probability of getting a sum of more than or equal to 10 after adding the numbers shown on the top of both the dice? That means we are rolling two dice and we have to find what is the probability of getting a sum of more than or equal to 10. Now, if you have to do this, then the sum can be 10, the sum can be 11, or the sum can be 12. 12 is the maximum number because we can get 6 as the maximum number in one die. So in two dice, we can get 6 plus 6 or 12 as the maximum number. Now let's start by listing down the cases. So if you have to get a sum of 10, there are following cases. So we can get 4, 6, we can get 5, 5, or we can get 6, 4. If we have to get 11, we can get 5, 6, or 6, 5. If we have to get a 12, then we can get only 6, 6. That means the overall number of cases will be equal to 6. And since we are rolling two dice, so the total number of cases will be equal to 6 into 6 or equal to 36. That means probability of getting at least 10 as the sum is equal to 6 divided by 36 or is equal to 1 divided by 6. So answer will be option number C. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability and want to understand how to solve problems like this, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.